Los agentes acudieron a una tienda de conveniencia después de que una clienta provocara un fuerte alboroto por una transacción relacionada con el combustible. A pesar de que se le advirtieron en varias ocasiones que abandonara el local, la mujer se negó y fue detenida.
You one of them white people. You want to say that somebody doing something to you, but I'm not in no direction of her. I'm not in no direction of her.
Listen, relax, okay? Come on here.
Because I wanted to get my gas, and this she didn't want to give me my gas.
Listen to me.
And I'm like, why you don't want to give me my gas?
Hold on, listen to me. Go outside and talk to me.
Yeah, we can go outside.
Hey, trespass.
Go ahead
and tell
the police. You think the police are
Just tell her she's trespassed.
Curve.
Ma'am.
I could be trespassed. I will slap you in real life.
Ma'am, go outside. You've been trespassed.
I will slap you in real life.
Listen.
I will slap you in real life.
Listen, you're going to go to jail now if you don't go outside.
Okay, I can go outside.
Then go.
It don't matter. I can go outside. I'm going outside.
Ma'am.
This is a liar.
Go outside. You're going to go
She's
to jail.
a liar.
All right,
She's a liar. She's a liar. She's a liar.
Stop.
I'm not going to jail. Get off me.
Please send me another unit.
She's a liar. She's a liar.
Relax. Listen.
Okay, get off me. I'm not
No, listen to me. You're going to jail now. You were told to leave.
Okay,
and
let
you're
me
not.
leave. Let me leave.
No.
My phone
Relax.
is in my pants.
No.
My pants. My phone's in my pants.
Okay.
Okay, you won't allow me to. You won't allow me to
Relax.
and I need to touch this lady. It's up.
You were told to leave. And
Okay,
you wanted
can I
to
leave? Can I leave? Can I leave? Can I leave?
Don't tense up, all right?
Can I leave?
Or you're gonna get
Can I
tased.
leave?
Don't tense
Can I
up, or you're gonna
leave?
get tased.
Why you gonna arrest me? Can I leave?
Listen, no, you're not.
Why?
I told you.
Why?
Relax.
Wait.
Relax.
Wait. I don't need to bring no Look, trust me.
Relax.
I just had a baby.
Okay, all right, relax.
Trust me, but I don't need to go to jail. Bro, I don't need to go to jail. I just had a little baby.
Relax.
Bro, I'm not.
Okay, relax.
I'm not telling them.
Okay, all right, we're good.
All right, for real. You don't need
Turn around.
All right.
Stay there.
I'm ready.
Stay there and relax. Okay? Turn around and face the wall. Spread your feet apart.
Why are you doing me right
Spread
there?
your feet apart. Spread your feet apart.
But my feet are spread apart.
Kick your leg out to the right and don't move.
What you mean? To my right?
Your right leg to the right and don't move.
What you mean? I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you.
Yes, ma'am. I just need one other unit.
Don't hurt me. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. You want this lady?
Nope, just don't move.
Just don't move?
Yep.
Don't move. I won't move. Good. You don't need to do me.
All right. Just relax. Okay? Relax. Just relax. All right, now
I've never been aggressive.
Listen to me. All we're gonna do is just go
I asked
outside.
her is why she wanna ask me my gas. Why I'm getting arrested? Why am I getting arrested? Cause she wanted to ask me my gas. Why am I getting arrested? Wait. Why you dragging me like this? Why you dragging me like
Because
that?
you're not walking.
Cause I'm walking.
Then let's walk. Then let's walk.
Well, be nice to me. Be nice to me. Be nice. Bro, I'm never going what's that
I'm gonna
word?
remove this.
What's that word? No, this is my outfit.
How do you gotta
this
take that
is
off?
mine, this is mine,
How do I
this-
take this off?
Sir, can I just sit down? Can I sit down?
How do I take this off?
Sir, can I sit down?
There you go.
Sir, I don't need to go to jail. I asked the lady why she wasn't giving me no gas. That's the only thing that I asked that lady. I didn't ask her nothing. I'm literally going to jail for asking her why I didn't go to get no gas. Bro, sir, please don't take me to jail. I literally just had a baby.
Sit inside.
Please,
Let's sit
sir.
Let's sit inside.
Sir, please,
Come
can
on.
we talk about this?
No.
Can we talk about this?
We're done talking. Okay.
Can you, look, sir, look, talk to me before you.
We're having a seat.
So.
There you go.
Sir.
Sir, can y'all please give me a chance? Y'all wouldn't even give me a chance.
Nope.
Give me a chance. Be an officer. Officer,
right now.
Give me a chance. Be a chance. Be a
Listen,
chance.
right
Be
now
a
you're
chance.
acting a fool.
Officer.
I'll talk to you.
You didn't give me a chance.
Close that door.
You didn't.
Yeah.
You just closed the door on me.
Thanks, brother.
Of course. Anything else for me?
I'm good, thank you, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Have a good one.
You just closed the door on me. You didn't give me a chance. I literally was trying to be. Officer,
83 on 1015.
officer,
Here, put me on the list
officer,
for transport.
Officer, please. Please, I will apologize if you want me to. If you want me to go in there and say I'm sorry, I will never come in here. I will never come in here.
Valid license.
Ever. I will say that. And I will never come in there ever. I will be forever trespassed. Promise. I did not come in there for that. At all. That's not what I came in there for, officer. I did not. I'm asking you to please give me a chance. I haven't been in trouble. You can look how long I haven't been in trouble for. Bro, give me a chance, please.
Alright, give me a second.
You can see how long I haven't been in trouble for. You can look at my record and see it. Bro, I haven't been in trouble. Please.
Alright, be right back.
You want her gas can?
Oh, was that sitting there?
That's what it all started over.
Where, what did you see?
I was out here actually eating a piece of pizza, but I was inside first, and she came out here and couldn't get the pump, that she couldn't lift the nozzle.
Okay.
And then she went in there, and I was out here, and then my kid's like, I want a piece of pizza too, Dad. So I went back inside, and she was just going, holy hell in there. So,
And what did you see in there that she was doing to him? Just doing what I
verbal,
saw, basically
yeah,
yelling
just
at him and
verbal
stuff?
yelling. That's all I
disorderly?
see, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
You have your ID on you, real quick?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put you in the report. It doesn't mean anything. Just you kind of saw it, so.
Can I go?
Are you calm down yet?
Yes, I'm calm.
Alright, well when I get back, I'll talk to you.
I've been calm. I've already been ready to go home. My son been waiting on me all this time. I was supposed to pick my son up from school. This up, bro. The only reason why I was in a rush is because I was trying to pick my son up from school. And this trying to make it seem like I'm getting attitude with her. And I'm just trying to hurry up and pick my son up from school. That's it. What the bro?
Who was she yelling at the most?
He started in on me.
And you are, who are you?
I'm the store lead.
You're the store what?
The store lead, the manager.
Oh, manager, okay.
Yep.
Store manager. Alright,
But she was just in general yelling.
Candace?
Yeah. I'm the one that called.
And you were the one that issued the trespass? That I told you to, or who
Yes.
issued the trespass? Okay.
I did.
Alright, and so she just came in here being disorderly?
She came in, and when she initially came in, she was looking for a gas can, whatever, and I think she was on the phone yelling at somebody. And then she paid for $10 in gas. She went out to the pump. She came back in, yelled at us to set the pump. It was still on there.
Okay.
She went back out and then came back in again and started just screaming and carrying on. At that point, once you start raising your voice and yelling at all of us and telling us you're going to slap us and all that nonsense,
Yeah.
I canceled her gas and I handed her her receipt and told her to get out.
Okay.
And then it escalated from there. There was a customer standing
And
here.
she said she was going to slap the out of you?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to put you down as a second witness.
Okay.
What is it, Alicia? She trespassed. If she comes back in here again, she'll go to jail. She's going to jail for trespass after warning, and she's going to go to jail for disorderly conduct. Okay?
Okay.
So
Thank you.
I might be back in, but
I mean, I don't normally call 911, but when it gets...
I got you. No, you did.
She
You
was
did it
in
right
a
there.
customer, in a customer's face too. I went to slap the customer, but he left. He was like, I don't want any part of that.
Okay. All right. Good enough. Thank you, ladies. Bye.
I have a house here. I'm going to buy a house here. I'm working on closing on a house here. I'm tired of Newport Richie, bro. Whenever a motherfucker don't like what the you saying, they can get you arrested. That's not right. Because that took my money. At the end of the day, Y'all should be arresting her. She took my money. The girl at the gas station. Because I paid gas at the gas station.
She refunded.
So why she took my money?
She refunded your money.
No, she took my money. From the first time when I came to a gas pump, that's why I said something.
I saw the receipt.
So I'm getting arrested for saying something for somebody